Hey, good morning and welcome to week 2. Here are the instructions if you were not able to make our live meet. First of all, I scored your week 1 assignments. Some of those assignments will show up in Google Classroom, or some of the scores rather, but some will not. So make sure you check Skyward to see what your grade is and why. I left some comments in there for you on the assignments to see. So for week 2, we're going to continue with this Enneagram lesson. So you started with assignment 2 last week, just a little bit about yourself. Now we're going to take that personality test and then do some research with it. So assignments number 1 and 2 will go pretty quick. Assignment 3, that's going to be the bulk of your work and the bulk of the points for this week. So really try not to leave assignment number 3 until the end. So for assignment number 1, it's a Google form. Do this first. Make sure to do the assignments in order. You're going to predict what personality you think you'll have just based on the title. So for the Enneagram, you'll get a number for your personality, and here's the names of the different numbers. So which one do you think you are, and explain why? Which one are you least likely to be, do you think, and explain why, and then submit that. Okay, so that's part 1, just 10 points. Part 2 is the actual personality test. Over here on the right-hand side, you will see that there's some instructions. There's a link to the test. It's the same one that's in Google Classroom. Just some kind of helpful hints. The first one is at the end of the test. It'll have this information. You can just click See My Results. You do not actually have to fill that out. And then at the end, make sure you take a screenshot of your results. It should have your number and your wing. So 7, wing 8 would be this result, and the breakdown of the types. Okay, so make sure you take a screenshot of that. If you're not sure how to take a screenshot, just Google how to do it. It's a little bit different on each computer. If you're doing it on your phone, that's easy to screenshot. Then just email it to yourself, and you will need to copy the result that you get into this other document. Okay, so here is the personality test. You'll just click Start the Test, and then it'll have a statement, and you choose either from very false all the way up to very true. There's quite a few questions. Really take your time and read them. Do your best on it because it's important that you get an accurate result for the rest of the assignment. All right, so choose them. Click Next, it'll take you all the way through, and then it'll give you your results at the end. And then the last part of the assignment, assignment 3, is Reflect and Research. This is the big one. It's going to be worth 50 points, so don't leave this to the last minute. So the first thing you'll do, read the instructions. First thing you'll do is paste the screenshot here, just like that. And then the questions with the length that each response should be is on the left-hand side. There's 9 total questions, okay? So some reflection questions, some research. Where it says research, you'll actually be looking things up on the internet. I know you guys know that. For number 5, this is a big one. It needs to be at least 2 paragraphs. And here are the sources to use. So there's 3 different articles to read through. And I expect you to cite evidence in your paragraphs when you answer that question, okay? Reflection, some comparing. You'll be looking up different celebrities that have the same Enneagram number as you and kind of reflecting on that. And then a couple argument questions, okay? So is it important to know your own and other people's Enneagram number in your personal life? And then in school, why or why not? And as your evidence, just cite examples of why it is important or why it's not important. So these assignments are going to be due Friday by midnight. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you missed the live meet, go ahead and email me the word pineapple. That way I'll know you watched this video and I will count your attendance as present for today. So pineapple is our attendance word of the day. Email me if you have questions, lnelms@caldwellschools.org, and I will see you at our next meet.